Welcome to Aiden AI, the channel where we explore the most powerful AI tools shaping the future. Here you'll find honest AI reviews, hands-on tests, and simple breakdowns of tools that can help you create faster, work smarter, and stay ahead in the AI world. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, developer, or just curious about artificial intelligence, this channel helps you discover what's actually worth using. If you want to keep up with the latest AI innovation and tools, make sure to subscribe and let's explore the future of AI together. Imagine turning your ideas into a fully designed website in minutes. No coding, no design skills, nothing. That's the promise behind Wellows AI. Wellows isn't just a typical website builder. It's an AI powered platform focused on helping businesses create content, improve visibility, and grow online using intelligent automation. Instead of starting from scratch, it uses data and AI to guide what your website should include and how it should perform. Here's how it works. You connect your website or idea, and the AI analyzes your industry, competitors, and audience. Then it generates content, structure, and strategy based on real data, not guesswork. It can even suggest what pages to create and what topics will bring the most visibility. One of the most powerful features is automated content creation. With just one click, Wellows can generate long-form, optimized content designed to perform well across AI search engines and platforms. That means your website isn't just built fast, it's built to be discovered. It also includes tools for optimization and growth. Wellows tracks how your brand appears in AI platforms like ChatGPT or Google AI results, shows where you're missing visibility, and gives you clear steps to improve. The biggest advantage? It removes the guesswork. Instead of designing blindly, you're building a website backed by real insights, strategy, and automation. But it's not perfect. It's more focused on marketing and visibility than pure design freedom. So if you want a highly customized or artistic website, you may still need manual editing. Overall, Wellows AI is less about just building websites and more about turning ideas into high-performing, AI-optimized online presence. If you want speed, strategy, and smart automation, it's definitely a tool worth exploring.